Now, of course, because we're looking at the chart of accounts here, utilizing this first option of chart of accounts, you can see what the balance is, and there's our golden arrows. You can click on the link and it'll drill you down and it'll show you all of the transactions that are in that account. Now, of course, when you do that drill down, you have to specify some restrictions here. You know, what posting dates do I want to see? How many of the transactions do I want to display? Do I want to display unreconciled transactions only? So, you know, you've got a lot of flexibility here in what you can see. And then, of course, when you're looking at the transactions in the account detail, you then have the ability, again, using the golden arrows with this origin number, you can click on that and it'll drill you back and it'll show you the original transaction itself. So here's a transaction that came from a journal entry, and this journal entry was a recurring posting from payroll. All right.